Push a beat. Yeah, push a beat. Turn me up. Turn me up, beat.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiki and welcome. Today I will be showing you guys how I got this curly flip over quick weave. It was quick and easy. If I can do it, you can do it, I promise. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I got this beautiful look, okay? Cause when them curls get in my hair, I don't know how to act. I'm a whole new person when I got my curls. It's something about this curly hair that like brings out a different side of me, okay? So if you would like to do the same and put some in your step, continue watching to get these bomb ass curls. I will show you everything that I'm using. The lengths that I use today is 16, 18, and 22 Brazilian deep wave hair from Amazon, okay? Yes, I will leave a link down below to the bundles that I have in my hair today. So guys, yes, make sure you continue watching to see how I got this bomb ass quick weave. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this hairstyle.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a beat. Cop no hammer for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got started cost back. Please. Drop the data, now we black. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a beat. Push a beat. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a beat. Portuguese on her knees. My banana pea. She let me squeeze if she need. Cause she keep it pee. Privacy, privacy. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, push a pink. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a beat. Push a beat. Push a beat. Push a beat. Yeah. Push a beat. Push a beat. Push a beat. Push a beat. Yeah. Pop a beat. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep. I can beat. That rest on me. Why they watching me? Push a beat. Push a beat. Push a beat. Push a beat. Yeah. Touch it down. Watch it. Okay, bought a peep, not a pillow Porsche. Push a beat. 3 P's, popcorn Porsche. Push a beat. I just fucked a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana card. I'm a P, at your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets with me, no question. Too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet, nigga try to sword. I'm push a P, 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 push a P.
Falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But you can say you love me when it's like that. You can say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah. like that. To everybody else it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Call me